Hey there, nursing students! This tutorial will give you a brief overview of PUBMED, which you can use to create a really good literature review. Luckily, we have a research guide for nursing that can make accessing the right databases and finding the right resources a lot easier. To get there, we'll start on the library's homepage, libraries.clemson.edu. We'll click on Research Guides on the right, and we're looking under Behavioral, Social, and Health Sciences, and there's nursing. This guide has lists of all the databases you'll need to use. What we're going to be focusing on now is the Find Articles tab. PubMed is not located in Best Vet Resources because it's so big. Whereas Medline has 24 million articles, PubMed has even more. PubMed also looks differently than our other databases, but it's free to use. Not everything in PubMed is peer-reviewed. Not everything has full text, and realistically, you'll need to spend a little more time looking at your PubMed results than other places. As you can see here, whenever we search, we only have one search bar and we don't have many filters. So if you put in your topic, that's where we can choose to search for our criteria in the title of the article. You can see that it really does a good job of building an advanced search for you. This is so many! But thanks to the filters on the left, you can look at the last 5 years, select only articles about humans, and sort by the most recent. For our purposes, we want the most relevant or the best match. But if you do need to find an article about, say, the health benefits of chocolate or a different topic that you need to use in PubMed, the full text links appear here on the right. You can find it through Wiley, the publisher, or the Find It link. As you can see here in the hover over text, this will allow you to see full text resources at Clemson libraries. And that is a quick overview of PubMed. We recommend using PubMed when you're not finding anything else about your topic. If you have any questions, go to our Help tab back in the Nursing, Healthcare, and Medicine Library Guide. This tab includes information on citation styles like APA formatting. More resources include how can you tell if it's a scholarly article, quick help topics, whenever you need to get a book, get an article, or have questions about plagiarism. As always, if you have questions, feel free to reach out, and good luck on your projects.